Actually, if you know the answer, just raise your hand. At pag tama po ang inyong sagot, kayo po ay mananalo ng very special Christmas gift coming from our Gumball Pot. We have the twist of the game. Kung sino ang mga unang makakasagot ngayong gabi, kayo po ang mga unang ka-ka-en! Alright! Kaya kung sino lang kumain, please answer all of my questions. But just to clarify, sa ating po mga ninong at ninong and parents, kahit hindi na po kayo sumagot ng tanong, okay lang yun. Dahil we will be serving your dinner. But if you want to win a prize, pwede rin po kayong sumagot sa ating mga katanungan. Alright? Sino kaya ang unang kakain tonight? Let's find out. Okay, my first question, ang tanong! Okay. Saan unang nakita na kakilala ang couple? Ayun and doon. Grabe ang kamay. Hi. Hello. We are in table number 16. Mabalita ko ang kamay mo, ang taas-taas ha. Alright, hello, table 16. What is your name? Papangalan po. Leah, Miss Leah, kaano-ano mo ang ating newlyweds? How you are related to the couple? Friend. Okay, now Leah, kapag tama ang sagot, table 16 po ang unang kakain. Okay, Leah, ang tanong, saan unang nakita o nagkakilala si Julie and Neil? Sa office. We are looking for a specific name of the office. Lorica, are you sure? Not so sure, but then, is that your final answer? Okay, ilang na po ang sagot? Table 16 kaya muna kakain. Drum roll, DJ! Lorica is correct! Congratulations, dahil dyan. Kung kayong apat, ayun po tayo. Ayun. Yeah. Dahil siyempre, we have a twist for this game. As your dancing host, sino po ang unang magte-tiktok ngayong araw na ito? Ice cream, yummy, ice cream, good. Ready? Say up! Alright, thanks so much, 16. Congratulations! Can you give a prize? Wow! Okay, now, let's proceed to our next question. Ang tanong. Okay. Kung sa Lorica, una nakita si Julie and Neil, for our second question, kailan? When is their anniversary date? Okay, here we go. Woo! Mabilis. Okay. So we are with table number 13. What's your name? Hi, Elias. So na pag tamang sagot, kayo ang pangalawang kakain today. Now ang tanong, kailan ang kanilang anniversary date?
March 2, 2019.
March 2, 2019. Are you sure?
Sure, but
Okay, but then is that your final answer?
final.
Okay, nailang na po ang sagot? March 2, 2019 is Double DJ. That is correct! Congratulations guys! Tayo na kayo! Tayo muna po, table 13. Tayo po ang lahat. Yes! Stand up, stand up, sir. Stand up po. Siyempre kayo, pangalawang magdetentak na day. Where's Yo! Pag tinuro ko kayo, ito yan ang inyong gagawin. Pero individual ito, ay na. Ayun na si Sir. Wala pa man din, sumasayaw na. DJ, hit it! Sabay-sabay, let's go! Alright, congratulations! Table number 13! Ang galing gabi. Ay, dati pa lang sold na ako eh. Thank you guys. Alright now, moving forward to our next question. Ang tanong! Come March 2, 2019, ang anniversary day ni Julie and Neil, ano ang kanilang endearment o tawagan, call sign? Okay. Table number 7, ano ang tawagan o call sign ng ating couple? Boyfriend, girlfriend, are you sure? Okay. Boyfriend, girlfriend is... Correct! Alright, stand up! Stand up, guys! Ayun na tayo. Siyempre yung also dancing. Ice cream yummy! Ice cream good! DJ, hit it! Let's go! More time! Alright, thank you so much. Table number 7. Congratulations. Ang galing ng table 7 yun. Pero paano may marinas na pumunta dito kanina? Paano may putulong? Alright, anyway, let's proceed to our next question. Ang tanong. Okay. Ang tanong. Ano ang pinakaunang regalo ibinigay ni Neil kay Julie? Letter A, cellphone. Or letter B, teddy bear. Go! Ayun na. Dito sa table dito. Hi! Table number 12. Ayan din ang air. Siguro kasi kayo bills ha. No? Ay, ano na lang tanong. Ano ang pinakaunang regalo ibinigay ni Neil kay Julie? Letter A, cellphone. Or letter B, teddy bear.
Feeling ko letter B, teddy bear.
Teddy bear, are you sure?
Yes.
Ay, nailang na po ang sagot. Teddy bear is... That is... Correct! O, tumayo na kayo. Tayo na. Tayo. Pang-apat. Yes, tayo na tayo. DJ, yo, 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 yo! Music! Sabay-sabay, let's go! Alright, thank you so much, guys. Job well done. Alright, for our final question, and ready na po ang ating couple. Final question. Ang tanong, ilan ang gustong maging anak ni Julie and Neil? Ilan? Nasa kamay. Ilan na kanilang gustong maging anak? Anyone? Ayaw mo tayo. Hindi sa mga Hello, people 70. Ilan ang gustong maging anak ng couple? What's the answer? Tatlo. Are you sure? Not so sure, but is that your final answer? Okay, tatlo. Tatlo is... Correct! At ayun na. so much. So now requesting our team room and team break. Tumayo na po tayo. Proceed on the stage. Let's go! Stand up, guys. Stand up, let's go! Pwede mag-chat na po kayo mga nina. Opo. Team room, team break lamang po. Alright. Parents, ninong-ninang stay na lang kayo dyan. Hindi na natin yung papatayuin. Okay? Okay, let's go. Woo! Okay! Thank you, teacher. Turn off the music, please. So now, nasample lang na po kayo